Hello students, welcome to my channel STEM Education. Today I have come over here with a little different type of video where we are going to do the revision of chapter number 7, that is control and coordination. Most of the MCQs from the chapter I am going to discuss over here so that you can prepare for your question A, part A of your paper. Students, in each question, I have just put an abstract for the correct answer. So, just go through it. Let us start. The first question. Which plant hormone promotes dormancy in seeds and birds? Options are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, aspartic acid. The correct answer is aspartic acid. Second question. Roots of plants are positively geotropic, negatively geotropic, positive phototropic. None of this. The correct answer is positively geotropic. That is, they are moving towards the center of gravity. The next question is response of plant roots towards what is called. Options are chemotropism, phototropism, hydrotropism, geotropism. The correct answer is hydrotropism. Fourth question. Movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to. Options are chemotropism, geotropism, phototropism, hydrotropism. The correct answer is phototropism. Okay. The fifth question. Which plant hormone promotes cell division? Options are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, aspartic acid. The correct answer is cytokinin. Question number 6. The main function of aspartic acid in plant is. Options are to promote cell division, to inhibit growth, to promote growth of the stem, and to increase the length of the cells. The correct answer is to inhibit growth. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. Fall of mature leaves and fruits from plants is triggered by which of the following substance? Options are auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, aspartic acid. The correct answer is aspartic acid. Question number 8. Any change in the environment to which an organism responds is called. Options are stimulus, coordination, response, hormone. The correct answer is stimulus. Question number 9. A part of the body which responds to the instructions sent from nervous system is called receptor, effector, nerves, muscles. The correct answer is effector. Question number 10. The longest fiber on the cell body of a neuron is called. Options are sheath, cytoplasm, axon, dendrites. The correct answer is axon. Question number 11. Which nerves transmit impulses from the central nervous system towards muscle cells? Options are sensory nerves, motor nerves, relay nerves, cranial nerves. The correct answer is motor nerves. Question number 12. A microscopic gap between a pair of adjacent neurons over which nerve impulses passes is called. The options are neurotransmitter, dendrites, axon, and synapse. The correct answer is synapse. Question number 13. You are given a diagram. Give the missing term. The correct options are spinal cord, brain, cranial nerves, relay nerves. The correct option is spinal cord. Question number 14. The highest coordinating center in the human body is spinal cord, heart, brain, kidney. The correct answer is brain. Question number 15. Main functions of cerebrum is. Options are thinking, hearing, memory, balancing. The correct answer is thinking. Question number 16. Posture and balance of the body is controlled by. Options are pons, medulla oblongata, cerebellum and cerebrum. The correct answer is cerebellum. Question number 17. Breathing is controlled by which part of the brain? Options are cerebrum, cerebellum, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata. The correct answer is medulla oblongata. Question number 18. Which part of nervous system controls the reflex activities of the body? Options are brain, spinal cord, cerebrum and cerebellum. The correct answer is spinal cord. Question number 19. Which of the following acts as both endocrine and exocrine gland? Options are pancreas, thyroid, adrenal and liver. The correct answer is pancreas. Question number 20. Identify which of the following statement about thyroxine is incorrect. Options are thyroid gland acquires iodine to synthesize thyroxine. Thyroxine is also called thyroid hormone. C. It regulates protein, carbohydrate and fat metabolism in the body. And the D option is iron is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine. The correct answer is iron is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine. Question number 21. Which gland secrete the growth hormone? Options are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, hypothalamus, adrenal gland. The correct option is pituitary gland. Question number 22. The secretion of which hormone leads to physical changes in the body when you are 10 to 12 years of age? The options are A. Estrogen from testes and testosterone from ovary. B. Estrogen from adrenal gland and testosterone from pituitary gland. C. Testosterone from testes and estrogen from ovary. And the option D is testosterone from thyroid gland and estrogen from pituitary gland. The correct option is C. Testosterone from testes and estrogen from ovary. The next question. Question number 23. A diabetic patient suffers from deficiency of which hormone? Options are thyroxine, testosterone, estrogen, insulin. The correct option is insulin. Question number 24. Which of the following endocrine gland does not exist in pair? Options are testes, adrenal gland, pituitary gland and ovary. The correct option is pituitary. The next question number 25. The gap between two neurons is called as 1. That is the options are dendrite, synapse, axon and impulses. The correct option is synapse. Question number 26. The brain is responsible for. Options are thinking, regulating the heartbeat, balancing the body, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The next question. Question number 27. Which of the following is a plant hormone? Options are insulin, thyroxine, estrogen, cytokinin. The correct option is cytokinin. Question number 28. Which endocrine gland is called master gland? Options are pituitary, adrenal gland, thyroid gland and pancreas. The correct answer is pituitary gland. The next question, question number 29. Cortisons are secreted by. Options are pancreatic gland, adrenal gland, thyroid gland, pituitary gland. The correct answer is adrenal gland. Question number 30. Female sex hormone is. Options are estrogen, androgen, insulin, and adrenaline. The correct option is estrogen. The next question, question number 31. Insulin is secreted by. Options are stomach, liver, pancreas, kidney. The correct option is pancreas. Question number 32. In case of emergency, which structure becomes very active? Options are adrenal medulla, adrenal cortex, thyroid gland, pancreas. The correct answer is adrenal medulla. Question number 33. Growth, mental development and tissue differentiation is controlled by. Options are glucagon, parathormone, thyroxine and cortisol. The correct answer is thyroxine. Question number 34. Heartbeat is increased by. Options are thyroxine, adrenaline, gastrin and glucagon. The correct answer is adrenaline. Question number 35. Hyposecretion of insulin causes. The options are hypocalcemia, diabetes mellitus, hypercalcemia, irregular growth. The correct answer is diabetes mellitus. Question number 36. Growth hormone is produced in. Options are gonads, thyroid, pituitary, adrenal. The correct answer is pituitary. The next question, question number 37. Which gland is both exocrine and endocrine? Options are liver, thyroid, pituitary and pancreas. The correct option is pancreas. Question number 38. Progesterone is secreted by. Options are testes, thyroid, pituitary, ovary. The correct option is ovary. Question number 39. Glycogen is converted into glucose by. Options: glucose kinase, glucagon, insulin, calcitonin. The correct option is glucagon. Question number 40. Oxytocin is secreted by. Options: males, both male and female, only females, only by pregnant women. The correct option is females, that is option C. Question number 41. Islets of Langerhans are found in. Options are spleen, pancreas, liver, pituitary gland. The correct option is pancreas. Question number 42. Goiter is due to the hyposecretion of. Options: thyroxine, calcitonin, prolactin and insulin. The correct option is thyroxine. Question number 43. Hormone secreted by the testes is. Options: testosterone, progesterone, insulin, TSH. The correct option is testosterone. Question number 44. Junction between two neurons is dash. Options are callus, synapse, monosystem and hemostasis. The correct option is synapse. Question 45. Unit of impulse transmission is. Options are neuron, nervous system, brain, spinal cord. The correct answer is neuron. Question number 46. The largest part of the brain is. Options are cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla and midbrain. The correct option is cerebrum. The next question, question number 47. part of the brain which controls respiration and heartbeat is, options are medulla, cerebellum, diencephalon, cerebrum. The correct answer is medulla. Question 48. In human body, which part of the brain controls the feeling of pleasure, sex and anger? Options are cerebrum, diencephalon, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. The correct answer is diencephalon. Question number 49. Example of reflex action is, options are heartbeat, blood circulation, sneezing, all of these. The correct answer is sneezing. Question number 50. Phototropism is regulated by, options auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene. The correct option is auxin. Question 51. Germination of seeds is regulated by, options are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene. The correct option is gibberellin. Question 52. Fruit ripening is regulated by, options are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene. The correct option is ethylene. Question number 53. Deficiency of which hormone causes diabetes? Options are insulin, gastrin, relaxin, estrogen. The correct option is insulin. Question 54. Name the hormone which is secreted by testes of men. Options are adrenaline, insulin, testosterone and androsterone. None of these. The correct option is testosterone and androsterone. Question number 55. Which is a plant hormone in the following? Options are insulin, thyroxine, estrogen and cytokinin. Here by mistake estrogen, as I put abstract for estrogen. The correct answer is cytokinin. Question number 56. Pituitary gland is found on, the options are ventral side of brain, dorsal side of brain, cerebellum and cerebrum. The correct answer is ventral side of brain. Question number 57. Hormone insulin is produced by pineal gland, thyroid gland, pancreas, pituitary gland. The correct option is pancreas. Question number 58. If reflex action is not occurring in a man, which part of this nervous system is damaged? Options are cerebrum, cerebellum, spinal cord, medulla oblongata. The correct option is medulla oblongata. Question number 59. Name the hormone which is utilized to produce seedless fruit without fertilization. Options are ethylene, gibberellin, auxin, none of these. The correct option is auxin. Question number 60. Non-directional plant movements are called, options are nastic movement, tropic movements, cyclosis, tactic movements. The correct answer is nastic movement. Question number 61. The correct order of sequence in a reflex arc is, the options are A, receptor, sensory neuron, motor neuron and the muscles. B option, receptor, motor neuron, sensory neuron and muscle. C, sensory neuron, receptor, motor neuron, muscle. And the option D is muscle, receptor cell, motor neuron and sensory neuron. The correct option is A, receptor, sensory neuron, motor neuron and then the muscles. Question number 62. the use of iodized salt is recommended to prevent? Options are diabetes, tetany, goiter, hypertension. The correct option is goiter. Question number 63. Out of the following, which gland is both exocrine and endocrine in function? Options are pancreas, pituitary, thymus, thyroid. Answer is pancreas. Students, this particular question is repeated third time. It is only with the intention that one particular question can be asked in many different ways. Just to give this particular idea, make this idea clear, I have repeated this question 3 times. Next question, question number 64. The mixed gland found in human is? Options are pancreatic gland, thyroid gland, pituitary gland, adrenal gland. The correct answer is pancreatic glands. Question 65. Master gland of the body is? Options: thyroid gland, adrenal, pineal and pituitary gland. The correct answer is pituitary gland. Question number 66. Made up of only nucleic acid and protein are? That is, which of the following? Okay, bacteria, chloroplast, viruses. The correct answer is viruses. Okay, students. So these were few of the MCQs which I could find important from chapter number 7, that is control and coordination. Similar type of MCQs, many more MCQs can be framed. Okay, so once you prepare this MCQ, you will be able to answer all the questions from this chapter which can be included for part A, that is 1 mark question. Clear? So students, if you have liked this particular video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Students, don't forget to write your views for this particular video, so that will be giving me idea of improving the video and put all the necessary requirement what is required by the students. So till we meet for the next time, goodbye students.